Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I want to show you these jobs that I found on LinkedIn. I was just browsing through and I saw these amazing jobs that you can absolutely do from home. They are 100% remote, which is amazing, especially if you're one of those people who do not want to go to any physical office and you still want to be able to make a living, and then you don't have to commute to work. And the salary is ranging between $30 to $35 an hour. When I saw this, I said this is awesome. So let's just go straight to the jobs. So the first one I have here is administrative assistant, and I tried to check out. This was 2 days ago, but the last two that I'm going to show you guys were posted just a few hours ago. So this one, you can look at it and see the job responsibility. It is 100% remote and they are not asking for too much. Your responsibility is simply your ability to organize, lead, and develop and control resources, which I think everyone should know how to do if you're looking for a great job in the first place. And the requirements is strong communication, your ability to interact, and the rest. The skill requirement here, the basic one is to have customer service skills and also your ability to communicate effectively. So I think this is a good job, and administrative assistants are kind of earning well, and you get to actually work from the comfort of your home. $30 or $35 an hour is not a bad job at all, and that's the minimum that I saw for the other jobs that I'll be showing you guys. So you can look also at this other one. This one is an executive assistant. 2 weeks ago, but like I said, I want to show you guys the one that I posted just few hours ago. So let's filter that, and you can always set your own job alert. So when you filter, you see these ones are just 3 hours ago and 4 applicants. So if I was looking for an administrative job, this would be how I would search, and it's $30 to $35 an hour. So I think that's awesome. And just 3 hours ago with 4 applicants. This is 100% remote. And when they say accountant administrator or administration, if you even look down, they're not asking you to have like core accounting skills. So this is like a customer support representative basically, but they call it accountant representative. And you can see here they are saying you'll just be able to process and return and exchange what customers buy. Is also $30 to $35 an hour. And I think recruiter.com, they just kind of listed a lot of jobs right now. I think this is awesome for someone who is just looking for something and it's full-time. You can just click on apply now and it will take you to that next step where you submit your resume and also your cover letter. If you're looking for a standard resume and cover letter service, you can just reach out to the email on the screen. They do that by just optimizing your resume and also your LinkedIn page for a little fee. And just send them email and send them your old resume and they will have it sorted out. This particular job is 1 hour ago. It is 100% remote in Calgary, Alberta. And let's look at the job itself. This one as well, I think is amazing. This is for IT company, but is also an administrative assistant role. So they call it different things, coordinator, and you must be legally entitled to work in Canada. Okay, so these jobs are for people who are already in Canada. The working environment, you must be able to, take care of support the office and also multitask in different ways. Basically, that's what the description is all about, okay? The candidates that will fit into the organization and be able to support. And then your proficiency in MS Office, your ability to, be a problem solver, those skills are all they need. The organization skill and just high school or a diploma is really all it takes to get this job. So they are not asking you for a lot of degree. College degree or equivalent or a high school diploma is all that is required. So I saw these awesome jobs and I just said, let me share it with you guys. Let me know if you like this kind of content that is, job for those who are already in Canada or just jobs in general. And I'll be sure to bring you more videos. We can go on and on, but I think you should just take a minute to look at all the jobs that they've posted today. This one 3 hours ago as well. And it's still $30 to $35. There are a lot of administrative clerk, administrative assistant, administrative officers that they are looking for, and it's 100% remote which I think is awesome, because if you take out the time that it takes to commute to work, you would understand that this is actually a very good job. And this one, oh, nobody has applied for this job. I kept this for the last 3 hours ago. It was posted with 0 applicants. So if I were you, I would run to apply for this one. Take care. Bye.